Hi guys, good morning to everyone. Today I'm going to give you some basic introduction about Android with some different type of slides. Before going to discuss about Android, I wish to give introduction about myself. Who am I? My name is Manikanta Veeram Reddy. I'm having 12 plus years of experience on Android mobile application development. I developed more than 30 plus applications overall my career, and I trained more than 2500 of students in my experience in both online platform as well as classroom training. And I also trained both domestic and international students as well. And I'm a corporate trainer for a corporate companies. This is a brief introduction about myself, guys. Okay, fine. Now, if you want to learn Android, so what we need first? Okay, so we need any basic program language, guys. It may be C or C++ or Java, whatever it is, but we need basic programming language. Why? Because Android isn't programming language. We can develop Android applications by using Java or Kotlin. Okay, right? Like this. And so minimum degree is required. So why? Why degree is required? See, after learning the course, okay, we have two different type of peoples. Some of the peoples are do their application for their own business. Some peoples are for looking a job on Android as an Android developer who are going to make their career as an Android developer in the IT industry. For them, degrees required. For their own freelancers and all, it's not required for them, but degrees required who are planning to make their career in the IT industry. Definitely, degrees required for them. Okay, and problem solving techniques. Suppose in the real time, if you are developing an application, you are having a one problem, you need to understand the problem solution. Okay, we have a one problem, you need to solve the problem. So for that you need some solving techniques, right? So in the coming classes we have to, I'll teach you how to solve the problems and all. I'm going to give you some techniques also, so that we can able to learn day by day over there, right? Next step. So first, what is mobile application? See, simple definition, guys. Whatever the application we are running on the mobile devices, that application we are going to call as mobile application. Whatever the application we are running on the mobile devices, that application we are going to call as mobile application, right? Next, immediately we have a question why we have this much of demand, right? See, in our daily life, we are doing some activities, okay? So, activities in terms of like eating food is your one activity, right? Listening songs is one activity. Traveling to your office is one activity. Transfer the funds to your father, transfer to the funds to your friend is also one activity, right? That means whatever the major activities you are performing in your daily activity, those activities you can able to do with mobile application. How? You have immediately have a question. How so? Right? I'll give you some examples. See, just now I told you, right? If you want to eating a food, right? See, now you want to eat biryani. Now assume today is Sunday. I want to eat biryani. Okay. If you want to eat biryani, so you don't know how to cook biryani, but you want to eat that, right? That means you need to satisfy by yourself, but you don't know how to cook biryani, and we don't have a you don't have any home, you don't have any people to cook biryani in your home, but ultimately you want to eat that. How? How? So mobile, by using mobile application, you can install any type of food-based applications like Swiggy, Zomato, Uber Eats, anything. You install application, you, whatever the biryani you want to eat, it may be chicken biryani or mutton biryani, whatever the biryani you want to eat, you can order the biryani, and that biryani is going to reach your doorstep within fraction of minutes, and you can happily have a food, right? Ultimately, mobile application is giving a some satisfaction, right? So okay, fine, with the help of mobile app, I'm able to eat biryani, right? Not only that, second thing is, so if you want to travel a temple, okay, so assume you don't have a bike, you don't have a car, okay, but you want to travel with your family to the temple and with a safe manner. So how we can achieve that, right? Again, mobile application is helping you. So there are some applications like cab-based applications like Uber, Ola, Rapido, whatever it is, right? You have to install those applications so you can travel with the help of those applications. You can able to travel from your home to your destination, not your bus stop, okay? From your home to destination, from destination to your home, we can able to go and reach your home back safely with that mobile application, right? Again, mobile application is helping to you to travel, right? Not and one more thing, if your friend is having an emergency of 5,000 rupees, okay, so he called you, hey money, can you please transfer 5,000 rupees to me? So definitely I can able to transfer 5,000 rupees in fraction of seconds by using mobile applications like UPI, right? Phone Pay, Google Pay, whatever it is. And for transferring those amount, I don't require any account details, just by using a mobile number with the help of UPI applications. Happily I can able to transfer with a fraction of seconds, okay. That is also a beauty of mobile application. That means, so in total we can observe here, whatever the activity we are performing in our daily life, mobile application is giving a solution to overcome the things, right? Now I gave only three examples. We have a lot of examples are there. See, if you want to watch a movie, okay, so if you want to watch a movie, so okay, I want to watch Bahubali, okay, but today is Sunday, so in my TV I don't get Bahubali movie, but I want to watch that, right? So there is a OTT platform where we can watch the movie, your favorite movie, whatever you want, right? So happily we can able to watch that. That means for entertainment also, mobile application is giving a solution to you, right? So this is what we are going to say. Just because of these things, so we have this much of demand for mobile application. Okay. Next. So what is the different kind of mobile apps? Okay. So one is native app and another one is hybrid app. So what is the difference between these two, and what I want to select, and what is my career path, which app is going to take me as my career path, okay, like this. See, so native app, see, if you are developing one application by using one programming language, that application is nothing but native application. If you develop an Android application, for that Android application we are using Kotlin. Previously we supposed to use Java, but now not only now guys, the entire our series is going to be on Kotlin only. I don't want to teach anything on Java, so Kotlin things is going to happen in our coming classes, right? So by using Kotlin programming language, I can able to develop the Android application. But whereas comes to iOS, they're using Shift programming or Objective C. They by using those they can able to develop the iOS application. And for as coming to hybrid, so if you know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, if you know these concepts, by using these concepts also we can able to develop the mobile applications for both Android and iOS. Okay, you have a question, sir. It's good, right? By using this concept, we can able to develop two applications at a time, right? Yes, it's good, but we have some drawbacks here. I'll discuss those drawbacks here right now. See, we separate code for each platform. See, for Android, we have a separate code, and iOS we have separate code. But for hybrid, by using the above concepts, we can able to develop two different applications. And most important thing is performance. Okay, so every end user is primarily focusing on performance. See, now I'm using an application if I'm using an application on Android, if I'm going to feel any performance issue at that time, I don't want to use that application. Why I need to use that? See, if the application is giving a high performance, so definitely I like to use that application many more times. But if any application is giving low performance based application, I don't want to use that application. Just aware of that, right? In that case, native application is going to give very high performance, whereas hybrid is not give that much of high performance to your applications. Hybrid is going to give low performance. Immediately have a question. Why sir? Why hybrid is giving low performance? Okay. So I'm going to give you the answer in the below points. See, and in the native application, we require more time, more money, and more expertise if you develop a native application. But whereas comes to hybrid, it's very faster, cheaper, and easy to develop. And user experience level, Android native application is going to give very good, great user experience. But whereas coming to hybrid, we can get good user experience. We can't get that much of experience when we have a native app. And security wise, in native application, we can able to enhance the security. Okay, but in hybrid application, security is good, not that much what we have in native app. And if you can able to customize your application, we can very easily however we want, we can able to customize your application in native app. But in hybrid, we can't get that much say flexibility over here. We can do, but as poor customizability we have in hybrid application. And so direct access native device features. That means if you want to work with camera or Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, so all these are inbuilt features for your devices, right? So you don't need to install any separate plugins while you're developing a native application. Why? Because it's already inbuilt in your devices. Why we need to install those plugins separately? We don't need that. But when it comes to hybrid, if you want to develop any device feature applications like Wi-Fi or camera or Bluetooth like that, you need to install separate plugins for that. Whenever you are using more plugins into your application, automatically your application size is become more. When your application size become more, automatically performance is going to reduce. When the performance is going to reduce, no one is ready to use your application, right? This is a basic thing over here in the hybrid. And easier to test it and debug your application in native side, and simpler to maintain in the hybrid side. And overall I can strongly recommend it to prefer to go for native app, not to go for hybrid app. Okay.